A lot of comedians are told that you have to be an excellent writer. It's okay if you're not a good performer. But if that is you, that you stand for excellent writing, you are already, it'll be good to go. 90 minutes, the audience will be with you because that's what you stand for.
Right.
So you could be a quote unquote not a great performer, but your writing is so tight because that's what you stand for. And similarly, I stand for great performance. I love performing on stage. But if I'm going to
and that really comes across.
if I come and tell you, if I come and try to be a good writer on stage, you're not going to be okay with it. You're like, 1 minute. What is your honest truth? What do you stand for? I stand for great performance. Writing, of course, is important to me. But if you remove the performance to me, I may not be able to deliver a great show to you. What I enjoy the most at that point as an artist, like eventually maybe 10 years later, I'll be the girl who is a writer and not the boisterous performer. So be it, as long as that's what it is. Like if you see an Abhishek Upamanyu, his tone is very straight, but he's so funny on stage. Like every line is just, it's golden. Like, you know, or you see a Prashasti. Oh God, Prashasti journey is so wonderful. Like it's, actually she's a very animated girl. So first it started with very animated. Then she went, oh, English comedy. Then now there's we call it the Blue Kurta series and the Pink Kurta series. The Blue Kurta was, oh, iconic. She just topped it, and now the Pink Kurta YouTube videos are killing it. So like, that is because she has really owned the Blue Kurta and Pink Kurta series have been her owning that, oh, this is what I stand for, please go yourself. Yeah. And if you're not that, the audience catches you. So I feel like, to me, it is, you can hold a 90 minutes or whatever if you are performing, if you're playing to your strengths. Like it's, you cannot send a very bad example. I hope I don't get it wrong, but this is my elder brother both brothers were talking about how at some point Sachin Tendulkar was sent 3 down or 4 down in one day and he really struggled and he was brought back to opening and he did well. It's very that. Did I get it right?
Yeah.